Okay students, the last class we discussed about location and extension of India. Right now, so where is India located in the world map? India situated lies are located in the world map where it is located in northeastern hemisphere. Okay, now then where is India located in that Asian map, Asian continent? India located in southern part of Asia. Right now, in the 32 lakh 87,263 square kilometers. This is that total geographical area of India. Next, India occupies 2.42% of that total world's area. Yes, and it has land frontier, land frontier 15,200 kilometers. Yes, and it has water frontier, water frontiers including islands, it is 7,560.5 kilometers. Okay, excluding islands, (6,100 kilometers). Okay, that is, and India extends from 8 degree 4 minutes to 37 degree 6 minutes north latitude. This is one. Next one, 68 degree 7 minutes to 97 degree 25 minutes east longitude. Right, so this is latitude and longitudinal extension of India. It is a latitudinal extension, it is the longitudinal extension. Okay, now Bay of Bengal, so that is Indira Point. Yes, this is Indira Col, this is Kanyakumari. Okay, now from north to south 3,214 kilometers, from west to east 2,933 kilometers. So it is that extension from Kashmir to Kanyakumari 3,214 kilometers, and Kutch to Achar, means Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh 2,393 kilometers. So here it is Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean. Yes, so in Andaman, in Arabian Sea, number of, yes, Lakshadweep islands are here. Lakshadweep Islands, here Andaman Nicobar. Yes, Andaman Nicobars are located islands. Andaman Nicobar Islands are located in Bay of Bengal. Lakshadweep Islands are located in that Arabian Sea. It is that from here Gulf of Kutch to West Bengal. This is that coastal region, eastern coastal plain. This is eastern coastal plain. It is the western coastal plain. The total eastern and western coastal plain, including Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands, 7,516.5 kilometers. Okay, it is that area of waterfront here. It is the total area of India's coastal regions. This is one. So mainly that is. So okay, now let me discuss about that. Neighboring countries of India. Which are that neighboring countries are located surrounded India? India is a peninsular Asia. Okay now? And it is a subcontinent. India is a subcontinent. It is a peninsular Asia because which is the country which is surrounded by water on three sides, one side land. So that's what. Remember? And mainly neighboring countries of India. The major neighboring countries of India. I'll write down here. There are 7 neighboring countries. Okay, now including Afghanistan. Remember, one is Pakistan. Pakistan, which is located in northern part of India. Pakistan, one. Second one, northwestern part of India. Pakistan is located in northwestern part of India. Pakistan. Next there is a Afghanistan. Afghanistan, which is located in northwestern part of India. Afghanistan. Third one, China is the largest country located in north part of India. The fourth one is Nepal is one of the country located in north part of India. The Bhutan, which is one of the country located in northern part of India. Pakistan, Afghanistan both are located in northwestern part of India. China, Nepal, Bhutan, these are located in northern part of India. Next, sixth one, it is Bangladesh, located in eastern part of India. Bangladesh located in eastern part of India. China, Nepal and Bhutan. Yes. The seventh one, that is Myanmar. And eighth one, Sri Lanka. So these are that neighboring countries of India. So neighboring countries are playing very important role for the development of the nations. They made economic ties, cultural ties, and development of agriculture, development of industries, development of education, development of health. Because in all these reasons, for development of all these reasons, all the neighboring countries are made agreement for the development. So these are the neighboring country. One more, that is Maldives also located here. Maldives country, island located in southwestern part of India in that Arabian Sea. So these are that neighboring country. You know that Pakistan, it was one of the state in India. When India achieved independence, the Muslim League demanded for the creation of a new nation, Pakistan, for that Muslim. So Pakistan was a part of India. It was a state of India, became a separate country from India in 1947. After that, India's independence in the year in the 1947. As per that, Lord Mountbatten, Pakistan partition from India. Pakistan became separate country from India in the year 1947. But India and Pakistan has a same geographical nearness. These two play important role in the SAARC countries also, SAARC nations. That is one. So between India and Pakistan there is a boundary line, that is Radcliffe. Yes, Radcliffe is that land frontier between India and Pakistan. It's a borderline between India and Pakistan. Next one is Afghanistan. In ancient period, Afghanistan was under the control of Indian kings. Okay, now it's a new countries. So which is Pakistan and Afghanistan both are located in Pakistan is here and Afghanistan is here. Both are located in northwestern part of India. So that is one. So Afghanistan, between India and Afghanistan, there is a boundary line, that is Durando. So Durando is the border line, the frontier line between India and Afghanistan, its neighboring country. China is the third largest country in the world, and also China is a communist countries. For the first time, India recognized Chinese communisms. You know, China is the third largest country, which is located in north part of India completely. This part, China is located in northern part of India. It's a communist countries. And India and China has a long history from civilization. Chinese civilization and industrial civilization both were contemporary civilization. From civilization, from Gautam Buddha, Buddhism which originated in India, later it was developed in China. From civilization to civilization, from Buddhism period, India and China has a good relationship. That is one of the big neighboring country which is located in northern part of India. So coming to Nepal is a part of India, later became a separate country which is located in north part of India. So Bhutan is also one of the country which is located in northern part of India. Same way Bangladesh, which is located in eastern part of India, that is eastern Pakistan. Eastern Pakistan renamed as a Bangladesh in the year 1971. Before that, Bangladesh was another part of India. After 1947, it's called as a East Bengal, called as a Eastern Pakistan. In 1971 onwards, it's called as a Bangladesh. It's called as a Bangladesh. Is also one of the neighboring countries. And come to that, Bangladesh after, next down is there Myanmar is the countries which is shared the boundary line between India and Myanmar. So it is one of that country which is located in eastern part of India. Bangladesh and Myanmar both are located in eastern part of India. Come to that major country, Sri Lanka. India and Sri Lanka has a long history from Ramayana. Maybe you heard in the Ramayana story, Rama, Sita, Lakshmana, especially Ravana. Ravana lived in Ceylon. Old name Ceylon, present name is Sri Lanka. Yes, from the Ramayanas, India and Sri Lanka has a long relationship and a long history. There is Sri Lanka located in southern part of India and the Maldives located in Arabian Sea. So these are the neighboring countries. India has played very important role to develop cordial relationship with all the neighboring countries, except Myanmar, remaining all that Bhutan, except Myanmar, remaining all the countries are in the SAARC. Remember that is SAARC. SAARC nations are there. Only Myanmar not there. In the place of Myanmar, Maldives entered. So that there are 8 SAARC countries are there. India played crucial role in the SAARC nations. India is a leader in the SAARC. So what is the full form of SAARC? South Asian Association Regional Cooperation. Once again, South Asian Association Regional Cooperation. They were 7 countries were the members of SAARC nation. Now one more country added in 2 years back, that is Afghanistan. Including Afghanistan, 8 SAARC countries are there. How many countries are the member of SAARC? Yes, 8 countries are that member of SAARC. So that for that I have made one formula. Remember that BBMPINSA, it is a formula. The code or formula to remember the countries are members of SAARC nations. Usually commonly you can call it as Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanara Palika. Right now, and come to the main point. B means Bangladesh. Next one, B means Bhutan. So Bangladesh and Bhutan, these two. Next one is in behalf of Myanmar, Maldives join here, Maldives countries. Next, Pakistan, which is located in northwestern part of India, Pakistan. So India and Pakistan, these two are playing very important role in the SAARC. So India is a leader in the SAARC nation, India, and N is Nepal, which is located in northern part of India. So Nepal is a member of SAARC, and next one Sri Lanka is also a member of SAARC nation, and recently Afghanistan is also became a member of SAARC. Total 8 SAARC nations are there. 8 countries are the members of SAARC nations. So these are the SAARC nations. So it is clear information about India, location and extension of India. In which latitude and longitude does India extend? This is the clear information about location and extension of India. The next class we will discuss about that. Very interesting information about that. Physical features of India. Very beautiful, very interesting information will be in that next chapter. Thank you, students.